Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit Bitmoji in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Snapchat. Press on your account. Go to settings. Click on Bitmoji. Here you can see the option of Edit My Bitmoji. Click on this. From here you can change your Bitmoji. Now you can change the hair. You can change the hair color. You can choose the earrings. You can set the nose pin. After choosing all of these things, you have to press on save. That's it. So this is how to edit Bitmoji in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.